Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to pay Saudi driving license renewal payment through online using ATM machine. Okay, if you have any bank account, if you have any bank ATM card, you can this is the method, this is the option you have to do it for paying Saudi driving license renewal payment. Okay friends, here I will show you. I have Al-Raji ATM card, then I am going to use Al-Raji ATM for the payment. Okay friends, here you just see my video so you can understand. Okay, just you insert your ATM card in your ATM machine. Okay, you choose the language and enter the PIN number. Okay, after that you will see government payment. Okay, after that you have to select payment. Here there is many options. You have to select driving license. Here you have to select renewed driving license. Okay, I am selecting renewed driving license. Here you have to select, you have to enter the account number to whom you are going to pay the amount for renewing driving license. Okay, here I am entering the account number for our employee. Okay, once you enter, you have to make it confirm. You just verify. Then here there is option small driving license, heavy. I have to put heavy driving license because I am paying for heavy transport, so you have to select. Then you have to select the years, 5 years for renewal payment. So for 200 real it will charge. Here after that you confirm everything. If the information is correct, you have to click confirm. Okay, confirm. Okay, once you confirm, the transaction is complete. Then you can print the receipt. You can check. This is the way how to pay driving license renewal payment in Saudi Arabia. Okay friends, like this you can pay for renewal your motorcycle or private or bus or private taxi, public taxi, heavy transport, then Diana, for all the payment. Okay friends, thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section about driving license. I will reply you. Thank you. Please support and subscribe my channel. Please share to your friends. Thank you so much.